Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own pesto sauce. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. These simple components combine to create a vibrant and flavorful sauce that is truly delicious and versatile for many dishes. Now, let's blend our pesto to perfection. First, place your 2 cups of fresh basil, 2 garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. Next, add the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and pulse again. Finally, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil until your pesto is smooth and well combined. To elevate your pesto, consider a few helpful tips. Lightly toasting your 1/4 cup of pine nuts before blending can significantly deepen their flavor. Always opt for a high-quality extra virgin olive oil for the best taste. Feel free to adjust the amount of garlic and Parmesan cheese to suit your personal preference. A small squeeze of lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, can also add a lovely brightness to the sauce. Once your delicious pesto is made, proper storage is key. Transfer your pesto to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. To prevent browning, pour a thin layer of olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, over the top before sealing. For longer preservation, you can freeze pesto in ice cube trays. It stays fresh in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days, perfect for enjoying with pasta or as a spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.